You are a local business. You have a website, you have your Facebook, Instagram, you have even gone through pains to get your Google business profile set up. And you provide great service. But your business isn't growing. Why are you not getting predictable stream of leads every month? Why does it seem like nobody is visiting your website? Here is the reason. People can't find you online. There are people right now out there searching for the services that you provide and they can't find you. They're Googling, they're asking AI, but they can't find you. And guess what? If they can't find you, they can't do business with you. What's happening is when they Google and they search on the AI engines, your competitors are capturing that market share right now. So, what's the solution? How do you get the traffic? How do you get people to reach out to you? Two ways. Either you can run ads, pay the money, or you can do search engine optimization or AI engine optimization. Now, if you have the budget, go ahead and run the ads because that's quicker. You can pretty much start getting leads very quickly. But in my opinion, the search engine optimization or AI engine optimization is not even negotiable these days if you are in this business for long term. But let's talk about what happens when you start running the ads or even start optimizing your website for more visitor, more traffic, more leads coming your way. People start reaching out to you. They start calling you, they send text messages, SMS, or even Facebook, Instagram messages. Well, what happens then? Do you have systems and processes in place to respond to these leads right away? Is your team calling them back or responding to their texts, emailing them back right away within 5 minutes? If you don't have those, you're going to waste money on these leads. You need AI powered systems that are not only going to respond to these leads right away through SMS, through emails, through chats, they're going to qualify them, they're going to answer their FAQs and get them booked on your calendar. AI is not here to replace you, it's here to help us. And all it's doing is helping you and your team get more people on your sales calendar so your business can grow consistently. Now, how to do this? There are AI powered conversational agents that talk with your leads on chats, on your website chat widgets, on Facebook, Instagram messages, on texts, on emails. There are AI voice agents or phone agents that talk to your leads on the phone 24/7. So, guess what? No more missed calls. How many times has it been that you were on a job or you're talking to another customer and you missed a call? The potential lead did not leave a message, and then you're wondering, well, did I just lose money? Did I just lose the job? What happened here? Or worse yet, they leave a message on your answering phone and nobody from your team gets back to them. Guess what? They already moved on and went to the next business on the list. With AI powered voice agents, you no longer miss the calls, no matter when the lead calls. With the conversational agents, they are always there 24/7 responding to your leads. Most of the times, leads reach out after hours when their work is done, when they are sitting down at home and have time to look for your services. What happens then when they reach out? You're already tired from your day's job, and now you have to go back and respond to all of those manually, or you can get AI to help you with this and respond to these leads right away, keeping your pipeline and your sales calendar full. If you need help setting up processes, AI powered systems for your business, reach out. But don't sleep on this. This is a great opportunity for local businesses to get ahead of the game right now before your competitors capture the market share with AI powered systems and you get left behind. In the next video, I'll be discussing how do you reactivate, how do you capture more from the list and the leads you already have in your system without even spending money on the ads. So stay tuned.